An Indian wanted to take that iron ore to India, imagine. Iron ore in Runyankore, take that to India. And do what? Pay your wonderful people $47 per ton. Our iron ore is the purest in the world. It is 70% pure. So you need like 1.5 tons to make a ton of steel. Now, a ton of steel costs $700. Somebody gives you $47 on your wealth, the wealth of your people, and he gets $700 from it. And all the jobs, your children have no jobs. Watoto wa Wahindi wanafanya wamepata kazi. I can't be part of that treachery. So I banned, there will be no export of unprocessed minerals from Uganda. So there's no business. What do you mean there's no business? So when I banned them, they are flocking in now. They have opened 7 gold refineries. 7 gold refineries, they are there. Because I banned. The crisis you see in these countries is because of stagnation of the last 60 years since independence. The population is increasing, the economies are not increasing. What do you expect? So with these few words, Your Excellencies, what do I say? Merci beaucoup.
Bza asimwakageza ahawa Gntv Agarikwotsya
Obuhangalo rw'okwetebekanisa okujeguza ekiro ky'abakozi izooberya njakare kibanza kyo kwa katano polisi yargeyo yabarabura abanya-Uganda bona okujeguza ekiro ekyo n'okwegendesereza kandi n'okurebeka ngu tubayejumbira omubikorwa ebirareeta akabamagara gaabo kandi nangwa n'okurebeka ngu bataho amaani omu by'okwerinda katubirebe.
Orukugombigyere by'omugambirizi wa polisi omundu omuyangeri ya Uganda w'ekitiinisa ACP Claire Nabaka hona yarugenda okushaba abanya-Uganda okwasa kwetwara buwe barikuja kujeguza ekiro ky'abakozi ekirikwenda kujeguzibwa izooba rya nyenkyakara Olwakashatu kibanza ky'okwezi kwa katano omwaka gw'2024. Emikoro y'okujaguza ekiro eki hona neija kukorwa omu district ya Fort Portal omundu omuyangeri ya Uganda kandi hona Nabaka yarugenda okugira ngu polisi obwa hati eriho neekora ekikubaasa kureeba ngu yabaasa kuuma obusinge obu abanya-Uganda barikujaguza ekiro ekyo. Nabaka yayongera nangwa n'okushaba abanya-Uganda bona barayijumbira omu mikoro egyo okubaasa kuzoora amaisho kandi nangwa bakareebuka ngu ebintu byona ebyokwerinda biri kurungi ahabw'okuba okwo ebi bakuza omu kyanga ekya Rwenzori hona habe hariyo okutiinatiinisirizibwa okw'abaheekera ba ADF abatwire nibatiinatiinisiriza ekyanga ekyokwe.
Will join the rest of the world to celebrate International Labor Day, and this will be celebrated on the 1st of May 2024 on Wednesday. The main celebrations are going to take place in Fort Portal Tourism City, Kabarole District, and His Excellency the President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni is expected to be our chief guest. This day is commemorated in appreciation of contribution of workers to national development and helps in raising national and international consciousness on the importance of promoting and protecting the rights of workers. This day is also used as an occasion for reminding workers of their responsibilities and obligations. This year's theme for the celebration is improving access to labor justice, a prerequisite for increased productivity. Our joint security teams are already on ground. We have put strategic plans in place to secure the event. We already have the International Labor Week ongoing, so we are securing that amidst any threats or vulnerabilities. Although our our levels of preparedness are robust and advanced. We continue to access our security plans for hotspots and other high-risk targets with various tactical response teams in place. We shall be able to counter any forms of threats. We do have the capabilities and the capacities to counter all forms of threats and vulnerabilities. The public is thus urged to remain vigilant and alert, report any suspicious persons or activities or unattended to activities during the Labour Week and the D-Day of the International Labour Day. As usual, let's practice our collective responsibility for safety by remaining vigilant and reporting any concerns to the nearest police or any security teams that you will be able to access.
Buri kibanza cyo kwezi kwa gatanu buri mwaka hona Uganda abakozi bona ntibargaye bahumuramo kandi bajaguze kiro cyabo cy'abakozi ningashire bade kandi hone cyo mwaka gucyo nikija kutwarwa mu district ya Fort Portal okugira ngo nabo kwe kandi bakabasa kujaguza na government yihangariya Uganda n'abanya Uganda bono kutwara hamwe nga Gntv ntubendeza ekiro cyurungi izo bari nyencha kari cy'abakozi nzasimwe aha Gntv Agarikwotsya
abanyeshengero batari bamwe na bamwe bargayo bashaba government kugira ngo ikora hanshunga z'abakozi obwahateze uri kubashasha ngo bundi twije kujaguza ekiro cy'abakozi umwaka guri kwija bona bakaba bashemererwe umuyangari ya buri ya Uganda katubirebe
Obwekiro cya nyenchakare abanya-Uganda bono kwitoro rihangariya Uganda kurgayo kujaguza kandi nangwa no kwishuka ekiro cy'abakozi kibanza cyo kwezi kwa gatanu n'umwaka gw'2024 hona nikije kujaguruzwa mu district ya Fort Portal kandi hona abanyishenge batargayo no ganiraho nabo ahakirecyo abinji bargayo no kwereka shonga zitari zimwe na zimwe barukushaba government kwebasa kuzukaraho kandi ubundi nabo bakozi bakagumana bajaguze biro bikuru byabo bashomerero amukuganiraho no munyishengero okumanywa nka Bet Ethel na Rima nangwa no munyishengero kumanywa nka Asenance Nyakato bargayo no kwereka shonga zabo kugira ngo hona abakozi bine kurgayo bakakurwaho n'imishara yabo akatekwaho barukumanga umukozi natancyari yogo ninga nakomari yogo
nganafe kenyiri abogera lero baletu najjawana siko musebiri nga parliament ensonga ya minimum wage tujogerako ngera tukireta naye nakati tulinze minister wa gender atuletere kwekyo kyebalabye nti ddala tekirina okubanga kisookebwako mu nsonga za minimum wage nti newabanga mwana akola waka n'omanya nti oba tosobola kusobola ssente bweziti ate tomukozesa n'omanya nti wabe driver nga tumukozesa wano obanga omuntu omulala yenna amukozesa tiweziba ssente bweziti tomukozesa so ensonga ya minimum wage okiraba nakyo bbanja so kyembagamba Uganda mu mbeera gyerimu tenatuusa kutandika ng'egenda mu maaso ng'ejaganya bujaganya kyekiseera efumintiriza tutaddewo tutya workforce ekitegeerekeka
with this high cost of living entahi eri ntomuno kandi ebitukukolesa bakulika haigulu muno cost of living tukusaba government eteke muno ensira amaani ensonga yokulwa nti etegeeteeka minimum wage nti omuntu omeregi nti ngenda akona nomunani nkola mwabusiga nomunani nkola mwasamba koi nomunani nkola mu radio nkola mu TV at least ekitomuno tikusemera kugenda hasi esente zino nuko tuleke kubantu exploitinga abantu na skills zabo kandi teniki bakufunamu kandi twabakozesa tufunamu kusinga
umunyishengero kumanywa nka Robert Rukarumwesugwa hona nangwa no munyishengero kwizera bargayo no kugira ngo government ene kugira byakora okwenda kugira ngo aminyeto nayo ikagumana iganyurwamo nangwa nabandi bakozi bona batiyo baganyurwamo ubundi baza kujaguza biro bikuru byabo bakaba bine bakutandikira
ati ekiro cy'abakozi bane twijuka abakozi turuke kukejoro cy'abakozi kandi ncyenda ngo twijuke ebintu ebiri kwata abakozi so mu Uganda waza kureba ebiri kwata abakozi ngo niko kumara niko ku is a ritual abo kuba tinkureba ecy'abakozi bakuba ni bagobamo kiyaho bushati minimum wage umushara bagureba abakozi abinje binibuzo byinji bakubigaruka so ekiro cy'abakozi cyo kubera kugira ngo umuntu imikorere yabo mbwe nko kubakwata nko kubashashura na kotsi zabo leba kotsi zikori uko kugira ngo umwe nakora abura nezo kutambuza abura nezo kurana na accommodation cyo cyenda ngo bije batunge umushara ogushemerire konkati mu Uganda abantu batunga emishara etakwingana kandi etashemeriye so ni cyane ngo Uganda ekitemamani erebe ngo kugira ngo umukozi aze gukora nabana itage iki katucumuhereza akore kandi akoreje konkati wazo no kyoka Labor Day kandi bona batashemirirwa aho ka Labor Day bona bazo ni baba bihiga so ni cyane ngo Labor Day abakozi bashemiriye
kandi nyencha kare nizoba ryo kujaguza kw'abakozi mu Siyoni Uganda imyekera y'umunamba muri Uganda kandi imyekera n'amani myenda ngo twari mu shogo pawure imyeto n'abanyarwanda bona abakozi ngo twejumbemu ahabwo kuba Uganda twinumugisha baranga katwensi nungi tukolesa amani wenda hakataka kakwasa kuhinga kutamujya kwasa kuhinga abitemu kandi uyu n'umurimo akwateki ahubwo kuba imirimo ni mike kandi ka government yo negezaho kuronda ba investors kugira ngo batemu industries nyingi barete factories nyingi mu Uganda kwenda ngo tutunje bakweta backward and forward linkages wano hinga ejo nemirimo warete ibihingwa byawe ukabiguza no watasi kandi kuba baguza batankahi ayibakwata afite value addition baka processing con factory zezo nazo tunga imirimo y'imyeto so nenda ko kakenda kwabura imyeto nuba koshonireki nari kiriya wana wasa kutunga umugisha kongereraho ukatunga skill ndijo ni kuyamba bagira ngo wabo rwobo utayoba nambwe nyenda kwebaza program za government ukukira program ya State House yo kuskiringa program ya Yuri yo kuskiringa na program za Ministry of Trade izwa kwegesa abantu eby'umukono kwenda ngo waba notasi akacaha wasukuri kindi tunyitasa yo kukirayo
Twe Ronald awa Gntv omuri Kampala.
Omuhagizi wa NRM orukumanywanga yasiniga obingi bakumanyanga kisa kya mukama yargayo yahamya ngu weitaka bwine ekipapura kyona ekirukuruga mu office ya president ekikumuhamisa ngu bakamuhereza obwa assistant RDC wa district ya Gomba kandi yagira ngu yo nebitire nibigambwa abanyamakuru bitari mwena za radios ngu nebishuba ngu nambweno ija kuruga yarebeke ngu yabateka omukoti abo kumutekaho ebishube katubire
Esabiti yitire amabega uri minister obwa mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda umwete minister of presidency Oikitinisa Babalanda akashohozaho orupapura arukoreka kubarukwenda kutekaho ba assistant RDCs abana bakubana bahwera ba RDC kandi barukubongera omubaru kugwa ombijere bya RDC omwete deputy RDC mwenu omurukara urwashowire nicyoreka ngo Kitinisa yiga kisa cya mukama Yasin bakargeyo nabo bamuhereza obwa assistant RDC kandi kintu eki kikargeyo cyagambisa abanyishengero bingi ebicwente amabere na mnonga aburubazoro habara government bari kugira ngo tubakikoze ngwakuba okuno kushisa esente zo muhiwo musoro mbeno baye bari mu ishengero rya Uganda Owekitinisa Joero Senyonyi ugunoro kwebembera orubazoro habara government akiza yatabukiraho speak ishengero rya Uganda arokumbuza ebikwate na iga kisa cya mukama okumuhereza umwanya gwa assistant RDC.
When you read section 70 of the Local Governments Act, it provides for the caliber of people that should be appointed RDC. That's the legal provision. But by extension, we can cascade that down to anybody occupying or within the office of the RDC. Section 70 provides that these are meant to be people of high moral integrity. People whose conduct is not questionable. One of the people that have been appointed to this position, which we are yet to fully understand as assistant RDC, is Ewaniga Kisacha Mukama. This person has been posted as assistant RDC to Gomba district.
Mwene shongeji egumire neteganisa abanya-Uganda munonga barikwenda kumanya yiga Kisacha Mukama Yasini Noha omunyamakuru witu nukwefutekamu amani mingi akaronda yiga Kisacha Mukama Yasin kungafuta abantu ganiraho nawe oyargayo no kutushobora mwebyo natakumanyaho ngukandeze mpapara z'amakuru amwe na radio izamahandikireho ebintu ebi naza kuzitwara omumbuga z'amateka bamukite
ngenda kutwala olupapula lwa Daily Monitor mu court olwafurumiza defamation Kisacha Mukama yawereddwa bwa RDC ne bamukuba ne mu mpapula z'amawulire nga bakozesa bad attitude. Ekitongole kya Daily Monitor ngenda kitwala mu court, Radio Simba ngenda kitwala mu court, erina okuleta proof nti ddala Kisacha Mukama bamuwadde kubanga ekyankubiddwako bagambye omukunambi bamuwadde bwa RDC. Ekyo kabonero akalaga nti insult. If I insulted the other Ugandan people of Uganda, then they have also insulted me. Because that's because of false information. Okozesa ate ekyo tebayina bukakafu bulaga okujjako nga alese barua president ya signinga nange je naddamu nga nzikiriza omulimu. Watali ekyo abadde Daily Monitor ngenda batwala mu court, abasimba ngenda batwala mu court. Era baloya bange bawandikire da UCC okuwalaga nti UCC erina okutuwa obutambi obwo ne Daily Monitor okujiwa ennaku 30 okwetonda n'okunsasula milioni 3. Gundi bwenega n'okusasula njitwala mu kooti okumpa damage milioni 10 n'okola public apology. Okubanga bawadde omuntu omulimu olina okuba n'obukakafu. Kyekyaleetedde ne leader of opposition okunjogerako for parliament.
Awekinisa Kisacha Mukama yarigeno kweshoborraho ngwe n'omwebembezi w'emyeto mukyanga kyarimu mukandi takatunjire barayona eri kumwereka ngu bakamuhereza omwanya ogu ogwa assistant RDC.
Kati nze ebintu ebyo nabiraba ku Daily Monitor. Era mu maaso awo tugenda bashowinga nembiwera kusimba era kutamire tubufuna naye nze ndi ssentebe w'abavubuka ba Gomba district. Assistant RDC erinnya lyange lyogerwa mu mawulire naye nze sifunangako bbaluwa yonna ntongole empa mulimu ogwo. Era bwe nabiraba mu mawulire ne ngamba abamawulire tebakuba bifu nange ne ngamba osanga bwe kiri naye si bituufu. Era njagala okutegeeza eggwanga ati nze sina bakulondebwako ku RDC. Era mbiwulira buwulizi era na sponsorutinze baloya bange okutwala Daily Monitor mu kooti etubule judge obukakafu obulaga nti nakola ki.
Kisacha Mukama yagumizamu n'okushobora mu ebintu ebi tibukumukwataho ngwakuba assistant RDC bakuhereza omwanya ogu n'obushomere kandi nikiba kige kyaragira okurwa mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda mukanu we Kisacha Mukama atashomere mumwe n'omwanya ogwe tagushemerire.
Salirwa nnyo ndinalabye ne parliament y'eggwanga eno yakutotena kubiri discussing kunze mu kifo ky'aba assistant nenjala kutegeeza mwanyinaze mukulu wange mama speaker wa parliament ensonga yagikutte sajja kikulu kubanga yali talina evidence kakasa Kisacha Mukama bamukoze eki ekisookera ddala ebisaanyizo by'okubeera RDC wano olina okuba nga wasoma kyekisookera ddala. Ekyokubiri ebeera president appointment naye byonna siina nze ndi locoman tasobola ku appointinga ne bwa appointing ate weetaaga requirements z'okusoma se sirina. Kakati mu maaso mujja kutulaba nga twereega ne Daily Monitor damages I expect more 300 millions empe miliyoni nga 3 kwono n'erinnya lyange okuteeka abantu mu bintu kituufu ebyo byonna ebyogera si bituufu.
Kisacha Mukama yagumizamu n'okusaba abakutwara engambe zona mubaza kutwara engambe ezi bize ne baroha erikurwa mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda kandi etireho omukono hamwe na sayini erikurwa mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tuhaburwa ngo abone kumanya bakamuhereza omwanya ogu.
Atkatinze
wenu babire bariyo mu ishengero rya Uganda wekinisa right honorable Jowero Senyonyi n'olukwebembero ha
ebibera bibiri. President wa Maloko authorizinga owandiika n'ogamba nzikiriza BBC njagala bategeeza nti singa Daily Monitor nerete ebbaluwa nga naddamu nga nzikiriza omulimu ogwo obanga balina ebbaluwa ya president wanga osolo ogiwandika okuwandika kya bulijjo naye kikakasa nti ya president nga kuliko omukono gwa president ekyo fine naye balina okukola ebintu bibiri okunsasulira damages n'ekyokubiri okukola public approach kubanga si bituufu.
ahabwa GNTV Agarikwotsya ndi Clinton ni nahabwe mjomba
omugambirizi w'ekitongole ekirikwebembera okubara ombari gw'abantu mu Uganda ekya Uganda Bureau of Statistics ogwo niwestinisa Didas Okoth yasaba abanya-Uganda bona okurebeka ngu baguma mu maka gaabo kandi bayikyezebwa okubarwa okutandika n'ebiro 9 okwisa 2010 eby'okwezi kwa gatano kandi Didas Okoth yagira ngu ekitongole eki kyetebekanise kurungi okureba ngu ombaro ogwo bagutunga gye kandi nanegenderwa ekikyaba.
Still will be asking you who slept in your household on the night of 9th May 2024. So we are here to inform the population and the whole country to prepare, to be ready. We already training people at the district level, which we actually concluded last week. Starting on 1st of May, we are now going to be training the people we call the parish supervisors, the sub-county supervisors, and the enumerators. Now these are the people, the data collectors, the field staff, who will be visiting every home, every community, every institution, collecting various forms of information, as will be guided by the different questionnaires that has been already approved. So, working with Uganda Police gives us an opportunity, first of all, to ensure that there is total security and harmony of each and every part of this exercise. There is security, first of all, for the field staff, but also for the government property, which are the tablets. The government secured over 120,000 tablets to ensure that we undertake a technologically driven census. This time round, we are not going to have the paper questionnaire, but rather we shall have all questionnaires uploaded and predetermined in the tablets, and these are tablets that every enumerator is expected to have and visit the different households. And they'll be following the questions and answering them using the various codes as they'll be guided by the trainers in those tablets. Therefore, we are sure of the harmony, the peace, and security during the exercise. We can say that we have already started because people have already been deployed in all parts of the country. We have a team of over 147 staff from Uganda Bureau of Statistics who are working in the districts as the district census commissioner representatives at the district level, at the municipality level. And they are working with clerks, they are working with the RDCs, they are working with the chief administrative officers, they are working with the district planners to ensure that the exercise is well understood at the district level and is appreciated by the citizen, even at the grassroots. It is our core function and responsibility to ensure that every citizen in this country is enumerated, is counted. We do not want to leave anybody who will have slept within the boundaries of Uganda on the night of 9th May 2024 uncounted. And what I mean by that, that if the midnight of 9th finds you within this boundary, you are a candidate of enumeration. You must be counted. It is very important that you are included in the statistical data of this census 2024. So I want to thank Uganda Police for giving utmost security to the country and to our field staff who are going to be working. and for ensuring that they disseminate this information further. We are working with the DPCs, the RPCs, the DSOs, of course, Office of the Internal Security Organization, Office of the IGP. They are all on board. We have institutional questionnaires which are going to be conducted by the officers, the UPDF, the Uganda Police, the Uganda Prison Services, the High Commissions, the refugee areas, the refugee settlements. They are going to be handled by the Office of the Prime Minister. All these have undergone training to understand the questionnaires, to understand what is expected out of them. I want to thank the media for being part of the census right from the time when this exercise started. You have been part of us. You have wide and far communicated census activities, right from the preparatory activities, which included listing of households, mapping of the entire country, piloting of census in the various districts and cities, and now we can say that UBOS is ready on behalf of the government of Uganda to ensure that the country is updated with the latest statistical information and data.
Za asimagajes ahawa Gntv Agarikwotsya.
Babere mnonga desire hitiriza tumure tujagarika n'icweka cya kabiri Agarikwotsya utakarga.
This is Gntv, releasing life.
New Ways Health Limited abali kushangwa mbara enyuma ya Pelican Hotel ahachombeko cha Zakaria ground floor room number ya kashatu ebaretire mibazi eyo mulembe kandi ebakolire shande nyamulungi eya New Ways Health drink echokunywa cyo mutano tichiri marwa tichiri mu food color kandi chiri 100% natural chikozirwe cardamom seeds, cloves, raisins, hibiscus, inanasi hamwe na rosemary. New Ways erimu ebirisa ebirukombe ko mubiri nka zinc, fiber, potassium, calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B12, iron na antioxidants kandi chamizibwe aba UNBS okumanya biri kukiraho batera hasi muzabo ezi 0 01 abirnina ningashi 0 abirnina.
Izuba ryayanga
nyoka nkweriti yo gatotandikiraho
wantambira atobwizuba naritandika
aha tukatandika izuba ryonoshe merigwe utamizire liti yogati gitunge mu buhoho butarashona strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, plain yogurt epakingirwa kurunje mu grams 250 500 okwisahari temwe. Liti yogurt erarindi muka kurunje hamumiro tunga liti yogurt omu maduka na supermarket zone zikurihi abarenda mu bwinji marazo wake ishi investments limited abarashanga gwe bikona erakogwa ba Gotv mixed farm gamba nokora.
Liti yogurt, taste it, love it.
Nations Church erikwebemberwa Pastor Patience Museveni Rwagogo bakulite Light Up Ankole Region for Jesus Crusade kurugabiro by'ukwezi 14 mpaka 18 byo kuwa gatanu 2024 omuchayi boma omutugwe kiterane eki no kutimba maziba ga revival akwatanisa n'abahereza nka Bishop Dr. Silas Sayebwa, Right Reverend Nathan Ahimbisikwe, Right Reverend Johnson Tino Mujuni, Right Reverend Stephen Namanya, Bishop Patrick Pefuga, Right Reverend Amos Magezi, Reverend Canon Newton Baryesha abagambe bakuru Apostle Alex Mitara, Bishop Dr. Joshua Rere, Bishop Dr. Moses Odonk, Apostle Dr. John Bunjo, Apostle Dr. Michael Chumuli, Apostle Dr. Daniel Batambuze, Bishop Deo Musoke, hamwe na mama Dr. Alice Mwesigwa, omukyala w'umureberesi Dr. Sheldon Mwesigwa, omugenyi mukuru President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'omukyala we Janet Kata Museveni. Ebyona bizago bitandika shayi muzo mukasheshe mpaka shayi birizo mwabazyo at Shayi Boma Grounds. Ebyona bishakirwa GNTV, releasing Kingdom Life.
This is GNTV, releasing life.
Agarikwotsya mu kiika kyaitu ekya kabiri abebembezi ab'ekibiina eky'orubaju ruhabura gavumenti ekya National Unity Platform barugayo basha abanya-Uganda okurenga bayihandiisa omu kibiina kyabo kandi omu bebembezi omu kibiina eky'orukumanywa nka Honorable Joel Senyonyi yarugayo yasha polisi okureebwa ngu tiyabateganisa baba bari omu hururu yabo ey'okuhandiikisa abantu. Katubirebe.
Obwo turiyo ntwigira karuru AK-2026 akabona mu ihanga ryitu erya Uganda bo abebina by'orubaju ruhabura gavumenti bakargayo no kutandikaho ehuru izo kuhandikisa abamemba babo abasya kugira ngo batahe omu kibiina kandi bo abakuru bakagumizamo no kwehamya omu mpapura zabo. Mbwenu bo ab'ekibiina ky'orubaju ruhabura gavumenti ekya National Unity Platform okyete NUP ekirukwemerwa mukuru wacho ow'ekitinisa Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu izo bari nyuma zo batandikireho ehuru bari kugira ngo nibenda kuhandikisa abamemba babo abasya ngo kandi nibashaba byo kwerinda batakabateganisa babareke bakore emirimo yabo akube ekibiina kyabo kyehandikise kandi emirimo yacho nemanywa omu ihanga ryona. Wenwe omuhandiki mukuru ow'ekibiina eki ekya NUP ow'ekitinisa Honorable David Lois Rubongoya arigireyo no kugira byashobora akwehandikisa okw'abamemba babo abasya.
Tuze tubagamba nti tulina enteekateeka ey'okuzimba structures mu mirandira gy'ekibiina kino okuvira ddala ku kyalo okutuukira ddala national level. Era olunaku lwaleero President waffe owekitiibwa Kyagulanyi Ssentamu kyatongozza yeeyo plan yaffe etandise oba program yaffe etandise. Tugenda kusooka tumale omwezi guno gwonna nga turegisteringa members b'ekibiina. Tulina abamembers already be twaregisteringa naye tusazeewo okuddamu ne turegisteringa abalala. Tujabawo omuwendo bwe tuba tumaze eno phase tujabawo omuwendo gwa members baffe bonna be tulina aba National Unity Platform. Tulina n'enteekateeka ey'okukola digital register abantu bonna be tuwandiisa babeere mu system yaffe eya tekinologiya. Omulimu gwe tubaddewo n'olwaleero olukiiko luno luleese ba registrar okuva mu constituencies 353 ez'eggwanga lyonna, districts 146 ez'eggwanga lyonna ne sub-regions zonna ez'eggwanga. So bano abantu tubadde tubatendeka ennaku zino ebbiri era tugenda basindika kati bagende batandike okukakalabya emirimu okulaba nga bawandiisa bamemba ba NUP. Then buli kaadi ya NUP ya nusu 10 zokka. Tetwagala omuntu yenna bamukyajinge sente ezisuka mu nusu 10 pozo oli bw'aba asazeewo okontributingira ekibiina era ekyo nakyo ne kifuna risiiti sente ezo ne zisobola okujja mu terekero lyaffe.
Anduwe orumukuru w'orubaju ruhabura gavumenti omu ihanga ryitu erya Uganda Ishengero ndyo rumwe ow'ekitinisa Right Honorable Joel Senyonyi yarugayo nawe yashoboraho ngo abantu abakwenda kwehandikisa mu kigombe cyabo ekya National Unity Platform bagire behandikise ngo akubakira cye kushika ari kugira ngo kwehandikisa kw'ekibiina cyabo kuriyo no kwika omburu district yo kwetoro lihanga lyona
kutongoza
registrars zaffe era aba registrars n'abakulembeze abalala persons tubasindise okugenda okuregisteringa bamemba b'ekibiina. Kino kikulu kubanga bwe tunaamaliriza phase eyo ate tugenda ku party structures. Already kakati bamemba tubamanyi be tulina mu registers zaffe bwe tujja otambulirako okuzimba party structures buli ngeri yonna. Abantu bano nga tubakwasa materials ogenda nazo okusookera ddala tubasabye babeere beesimbu, babeere abakulembeze abaddala. Kulembeze kakati be bambasada b'ekibiina, be bambasada ba pulezidenti waffe eyo mu byalo gye bagenda okubeera balina okweyisa obulungi. Abantu balabe nti bano abakulembeze baddala bajja kusobola otwala eggwanga lyaffe mu maaso bulungi era babeere beesimbu mu kwasaganya registers zaffe. Tubasabye babeere n'obuvumu, bagenda kutiisibwatiisibwa, bajja gezaako okubagula nga muze mubiraba awo no bamuguze simanya nasala eddiiro ne registers zaffe naki. Tubasabye babeere beesimbu, oli bw'aba alaba nti obuvunaanyizibwa buno bumuyitiriddeko register yaffe agikomyewo naye n'agenda esayidi gy'ayagala okugenda, naye bajja kikola nnyo ati regime abantu bano be batagetinga nnyo kulaba nti ebagula abatagala kugulibwa bajja gezaako kubatiisatiisa basiba naki.
Right Honorable Joel Osinyonyi yahabura byokwerinda okugira ngo batwarize gyabe ebibiina by'orwazo ruhabura gavumenti ngwakuba emirimo yabo mbamba gikora bakutwariza mu mateeka
era nga twagala okuwoninga security outfits zonna abamagye polisi n'abalala mutambulire ku mateeka. Ffe tuli kibiina ekiwandiike ekikola emirimu gyakyo tuufu nga bwe kirina okubeera. Bano bakulembeze ba kibiina bagenda kujja mu byalo abaregisteringa abantu, temwetantala nti ate mubakwata mubasiba mubakyankalanya. Obuvunaanyizibwa bwe bagendako bukkirizibwa mu ssemateeka yaffe era tuwoninze omuntu yenna oba w'amagye oba wa poliisi aneetandala okukyankalanya abantu baffe bano oba kubakwata oba ki, tujjamu handolinga ye nga ye.
Omwishenjero omukyala bwa disitulikiti ya Kampala ow'ekitinisa Shamimu Marende nawe yaragayo n'okuhiga abanyayuganda okugira ngo bize behandikise mu kibiina kyabo ngwakuba nicyo kihikire.
Obuvunaanyizibwa obuweereddwa abakulembeze olunaku olwaleero abalagiddwa eggwanga kwe kuba nti bakwata obuwagizi bwa bannayuganda bwe batulinako babufuula obuwanguzi. Bannayuganda ogwabwe bagukola era bakyagukola okulaga nti bo balonda enkyukakyuka. N'olwekyo bannayuganda bajja kuba basanyufu nnyo obukulembeze obulondeddwa okuorganizinga enteekateeka yonna bulaba nti obuwanguzi bwabwe oba obuwagizi bwabwe bufuuse obuwanguzi nga tugenze mu bukulembeze bw'eggwanga.
Omukyala Shamimu Marende yaragayo n'okuhabura abanyayuganda arikubahiga ngu bize bakwatanire hamwe barwanise obure bw'enguzi ngwakuba buriyo nibureetera ihanga ryaitu lyagarika enyuma.
Bannakibiina balina okumanya nti kino si kya muntu kinnoomu. Luno olutalo lwa kununula Uganda ey'awamu okuva ku ffenna ebitunyigiriza, enguudo embi, amalwaliro omutali ddagala n'embeera endala nnyingi ezitunyigiriza, emisolo egisuuse obungi. N'olwekyo bw'oba okola obuvunaanyizibwa obukukwasiddwa olina okumanya nti toli ku kikyo, toli ku kya NUP wabula oli ku kya munnayuganda anyigirizibwa.
Ahabwa Gntv Agarikwotsya ndi Clinton nahabwe Mjomba omu district ya Kampala.
Kandi abebembezi abatari bamwe na bamwe base kuba nibishuka ha mukoro gw'okusiima gw'omukozi mutayi witu orikumanya nka Wilberforce Kisoso abiri nasimaranga abo kumara emishomo ye omu district ya Ntungamo omu Rubare Kasana Chempene. Kandi abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe bingi bekira ha mukoro ogwe habiri harimu nka RDC wa Ntungamo ogwenikada Muchunguzi Geoffrey ashabira abazire okuringo batamani mingi omu kushemesa abantu babo ngunanangwa n'aba bakuzire no bagumuzemo mu mishomo ngokuba okushoma nikwe kuri kuyamba omuntu okuza muri nyensi y'ekurungi. Katubirebe
okuzara okutamba kandi okushomesa omwana n'ekyetengo kya buri muzire wena kandi buri muzire akabe nashomesa omwana we okugira ngo akagira yashika nabwanyuma amutambira amwiha omu basheki kandi amushitamisa ombanyiginya obutubire turi aha kusima okumwami kapiteni Wilberforce Kisoso kandi ogu ni kapiteni washomere okuvuga enyonyi kandi wabushomere mu rurembo rwa Kampala kandi tarukomaho na ija kandi yagaba n'umukozi wa Gntv arukutayisa programu ezibyo butegeki zitari zimwe na zimwe obwabi yari akusima ruhanga abo kumara okushoma kwe akikana kuzwara ogete graduation omu district ya Ntungamo omugombora ya Rugarama omucyaro ekyakasana kyempene mbwenu oryo muzwekerwa wa mukuru w'ihanga lya Uganda abwa district ejo yemwe ya Ntungamo owekitinisa Kada Geoffrey Muchunguzi ubwabe nagambaho n'abazire omukanisa ya Rugarama Church of Uganda arijeyo no kwabura abazire bona ngo arijeyo bejumbere omukushomesa abana ngwakuba umwana nakwiha omugabaseki bito ubwo wayahayo kamushomesa kwegumizamo akabagira bazo ari busha barye busha ugabashomese umwana ngwakube sente zo kuteka omukushomesa umwana zarufa busha izoba rumwe ndizargayo umwana wawe akugirira cyo mugaso kandi nihanga rugoberwamo
bagira ngo mbaze kutambire rugotera ho wanyu kandi ngenda kuhamiza oratashobese mwana we umbwiro kwa president Museveni okuchera munonga umama inihanga Janet Kata Museveni ari minister of education rugokore mu kirusoro kushaba esapuri izoba nubwo y'umusiramu rusari n'undi etano mwizobo takosha rwa gatano ngenda kuhamza mu igurutozanye abukuri yafa n'uzunguzi ejo ni very clear toriza mu iguru wabo inabana batashumire warabana bakinguza aho za motoka warabana batwara bazere babo kashugari waro murokore naho kuzuzu ngwabana bakwere Kampala
Wechitinisa Kada Geoffrey Muchunguzi agumize muno kusima mukuru w'ihanga lya Uganda His Excellency wereka guta Museveni tuhabwa ruhemba ogwenzura kugira ngo akaleta zabona bashome umihanga lya Uganda abantu bashomesa abana babo. Kada Geoffrey Muchunguzi agumize muno kucena no kuhendagura amani mabiga stani agecho kunywa cyamarwa kugira ngo amarwa ngo garemise abazire okushomesa abana babo wakuba umwana nabananda kusoma kumushiza ninga siyo muzire akizo mukenge kamubera akenge mbwenu nukwe kurgayo kubajya ngo beyihe mu stanejo yo kunywa marwa ngo akubantu etagukusomesa abana bitu
namarwa ninyenda kubahamiza numwija kufa kandi n'abarokore bazakujana babazika nazagambura bazakuzwara n'abakristo beje batere ekitakuro n'abasiramu babakwatereho onyamarwa bakuzike omuntu narema ebitabo by'omwana obwo mukajeje yamire obujoko busha obwarere muje yamire za iko ishatu nariyena ezo nizikora ebitabo bingayi ahita kujya mahakomere wo kuzobwira mizunge ushanga nk'abakazi 9 n'abashiri 10 ogiza hamwe mu ishomero n'urukiko rw'Enkungu ushanga nk'abakazi 8 n'abashiri 20 okikabara ushanga abashiri 9 n'abakazi
kandi kutebeta ryo mu kanisa omukura ikigambo cya Ruhanga Ordinandi Ndyamuhaki oguno muburizi wa All Saints Cathedral omurembo rwa Kampala agumize muno kuhabura abazire hamwe n'abana babo ngo babana bashomesa ngo bagume bateke mune kintu cyo kusaba ngo akuba kusaba nukuhenda man mabiga stani gakuba nigenda kuteganisha mwana okubura kushoma
akaro mudorya